Oh gosh. Think breakfast was a hit. Y'all, I'm in here watching my girl, Gina Janine.
Baby hairs, and y'all, this is the texture of the wig. It is like a kinky, like yappy, natural blown out.
Hey guys. So I'm sitting here in the parking lot right now waiting on my son. He went into the sporting goods store. And I'm sitting here reading some of y'all comments, and so let me tell y'all. So let me talk to y'all for a second. So what I like about YouTube is I like finding new vloggers, especially people who look like me, if you get what I'm saying. I like watching new people, period, regardless of if they look like me or not. But I'm just saying, I'm just putting emphasis on those who look like me. But I really like watching ladies who I can relate to, who I enjoy their content. And I came across a few new people that I have been like really just watching their videos. And when I say, like, I don't know, I consider myself to be a very loyal person. I'm a loyal friend. You know, if I say I'm with you, I'm with you. And if I say I'm a supporter, I'm a supporter. Regardless if I watch your channel and comment on all the videos, if I'm watching your channel, and that's just what it is. If I subscribe to your channel, then I am a true supporter, and I watch your videos, even though I may not be able to comment in all the videos. But for the most part, because like I don't know if I said this before, just in case if you're new, I watch a lot of YouTube on TV, and I have my subscriptions, so whenever one is playing, they're constantly playing. So I don't have a chance to really like pick up my phone and just start, you know what I'm saying, like commenting. Sometimes if they're sometimes I will be able to go back and like make a comment, or I'll make it known like I already watched, but I'm back to comment or whatever. So I've came across quite a few new ladies that I enjoy watching, and I just love their content. And I'm just sitting here reading some of the comments that you guys have left on my last vlog and the vlog before that. So I like I said, y'all, I just really enjoy meeting new people, finding new vloggers, you know what I'm saying, like, and just seeing how they interact with their family, how they interact with their friends, their kids, their wives, their mothers, what they do on an everyday basis. Because where I am in another city or another state, they may do it totally different. You know what I'm saying? And when I subscribe to you, I subscribe to you. So the first lady, your first young lady that I enjoy watching, her name is Live to Shine. I found her on YouTube maybe a few days ago, and I've just kind of like been binge watching on her videos or what have you. And yeah, guys, so, and everybody that I'm getting ready to list on here, I'll definitely I'll leave the information in the description box. So if y'all are looking for some new content creators to watch, you know what I'm saying, to just show support, I will leave all of their information in the description box so that you guys can go check them out. It don't cost me nothing to shout other people's channels out. I don't care how big I get. I'm not going to charge somebody for me to mention their name. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's free. It's free to subscribe, and I'm not losing anything by shouting somebody else out. I'm not losing anything by helping somebody else out. If anything, I'm helping myself, because when I shine the light on somebody else, it don't dim no light on me. You get what I'm saying? So the first young lady that I enjoy watching, you guys, her name is Live to Shine, and is LIVE, the number 2 SHYNE, and I'll leave her name on the screen right here somewhere so you guys can go check her out. I enjoy watching her. I just found her on YouTube. I also found a young lady. Her name is Coley Cole, and it's KOLLIE, Cole, KOLE, and I'll leave her name down there. I think she's staying in Texas. I love her, and I like watching her because she a Scorpio. Okay, I'm a Scorpio. She a Scorpio. All Scorpios are like we're almost like the same people, and we vibe. I don't know. When I hear a Scorpio talk, I can just tell that that's a Scorpio talking, because their vibe is so relatable to how I feel about a lot of situations. Not everything, but a lot of situations. And we're just like, our mentality is just the same. So when I came across her channel and I saw her, I was like, it's a reason why I like her. I don't know why, but I just do. So she's a Scorpio like me. So Coley Cole, that's another one. Another young lady that I came across that I found that I enjoy. I've been watching all of her videos. And her name is Takia Takia G. She is a North Carolinian like myself, but I think she stayed in Queen City, which is Charlotte. So that's another one that I enjoy watching. She got a really humbling spirit, and I just love watching her. She's very, she's like a breath of fresh air. So you guys go over and check her out. Another young lady that I enjoy watching here on the tube. I think she's fairly new. What is her name? Dang, she's from South Carolina as well. And South Carolina is my hometown, just in case if y'all didn't know. Dang, what is her? Okay, I am Toya Griffin. She's also from my home state, and I enjoy watching her as well. She does a lot of lifestyle videos, hair, makeup, product reviews, vlogs. You know, just the same thing what my channel is about, and I've enjoyed watching her. And she is a new YouTuber as well. So those are the ones that I've been enjoying watching thus far. There are quite a few other ladies that I enjoy watching, but they're not so new. They kind of OGs. I consider OGs whenever you've been around the YouTube streets for a while. But I just wanted to share some light on those ladies, you guys. So if y'all are looking for some new content creators and y'all like me, y'all like people who look like you or whatever the case may be, if you just like vlogs or what have you, or any type of lifestyle content, then I definitely recommend y'all go checking them out. All right, and y'all let them know that Lovely sent y'all, okay? Don't go over there acting up now. Don't go over there acting up in their comments and stuff like that. But y'all, most of the time, y'all are pretty sweet in my comments. I don't have too many problems. I have had a few that was in my comments. I had to, like, you know what I'm saying, kindly put them in their place or what have you. But for the most part, y'all are some really sweet supporters, and I thank y'all so much. And y'all go over there and check those ladies out. Let them know that Miss Lovely sent you. Peace.